Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to read about traveling in the Bus Times London application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more section. Press on it. And here you can just select the third option, which is sustainable travel. Press on it. And here in this page you can just read about traveling. You can see, for example, red or green London buses, a hybrid fleet, and all the other topics here. There is a lot about to read here, and every topic will just have a little bit of reading, a little bit of text here. And if you want to read more about that specific topic, you can just press on read more. And here you can just read more about it basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.